Hi guys, I just thought I'd do your exam review, and I'm going to start with the family stuff. Jen's making a video for class. Um, to go over for review stuff for your final for family law, need to focus on all chapters that we've covered from the textbook this semester. So that includes stuff that was from Quiz 1, Quiz 2, Quiz 3, and Quiz 4. It's a great idea to review those quizzes for studying for the exam. The final will be open book like the others. You're welcome to use your textbook. The only thing you cannot do is help each other. So no communication between students, please. What else? You'll have multiple choice. I expect there will be roughly 50 to 75 questions per exam. You'll have multiple choice, you'll have true false, you'll have some matching sections, and then at the end you'll have a short answer. I am going to limit how much writing you guys have to do on the final, just for simplifying things. I am likely to give you a fact pattern. I might type a paragraph or two, and then ask you guys to answer some questions based on those facts. So you'll have short answer like that. You may have a short essay answer, but it will be no more than, say, 6 or 8 sentences. So I'm not going to ask you to write a page-long response to anything. As far as matching, I would definitely review those grounds for invalid marriage, things like affinity, consanguinity. You're fine. Should also...
Claire.
Hi. My nephews. Take a look at those grounds. You will definitely have a matching section on that. You will also likely have a matching section from later in the course. I think I'm still working on the second matching section, but I expect that it's going to come out of, hold on 1 second, I might be able to show you. Let me roll down here. It's likely to relate to reproduction. So some of those issues that we talked about, surrogacy, adoption, other alternative means of reproduction, including those assisted technology areas. So take a look at those. I think that is all that I need to tell you about the family law exam. Don't expect you guys will have any trouble with it. You've done really well on the take-home quizzes for family, so just keep at what you're doing. Of course, if you come across a question, anything when you're working on the exam that you're not sure what the question is asking, or you just have any other question about it, feel free to reach out to me. I will make a good effort to keep my email up for as soon as I get them posted Monday through, say, Wednesday or something. But if you need me in a hurry, I would suggest reaching out to me by that 660-9971 number that I gave you. That's my Google number, so it will ring my phone, or you can send me a text and I will get it no matter where I'm at. So that's that. There will be no coverage on the exam for chapters that we did not get to in the text. So, for example, in family law, we did not get to cover chapter, I think it's 14, on domestic violence. So you will not have exam questions from that chapter. What I will do is I will add you a bonus question for the exam. You can answer that question or not as you like. If you get it, I'll award you some bonus points, and that will come out of chapter 14. Same for tort law. So for the tort exam, there are a couple of chapters at the end. Specifically, I know we didn't get to invasion of privacy, defamation, which I kind of hate. I'm hoping maybe we can skim over those a little bit in civil litigation over the summer. But we'll not have exam questions from those chapters, but I will write you a bonus question worth some extra points if you want to attempt those. All right, on to the tort exam. Because we were short for assignments, on torts. There's less stuff for your portfolio just because of how the semester shook out. I will have more extensive questions on the tort short answer section. It does not mean that you have to write me a really long answer, but you should expect more fact pattern questions. And I'll give you a little hint. I would focus on the areas that we've done in the second half. I would know the strict liability stuff front and back. I don't know how many of you guys have been watching Tiger King over your self-isolation and whatnot, but you can expect a fact pattern question based on exotic animals. So Ms. Ward is working on that one. I think that is about what I wanted to cover for you. You guys are welcome to shoot me an email and ask me questions if you have specific ones. Again, with the tort final, it will cover the entire semester. So I'd go back and check over your early quizzes. You should see at least one or two familiar questions from there. And that is it. I think I've covered everything I needed to. Again, reach out to me if I can be some help to you. Thanks for your patience while I was feeling poorly this week. I'm kind of recovering, but you can see I don't look super good. But I'm on the rebound. So good to see you guys, and hopefully see you in person soon. Bye.